Okay, we're going to start marching out on the spot. Again, you don't need your trainers on. We're not going to be doing anything too intense. But think of this as like a warm-up for your day, or warm-up for your midday, or warm-up for your afternoon. Whatever time you're doing this, if you're not doing it live. So again, march it out on the spot. I'm going to start by tapping out to the side, just alternating. A slight bend into your knees. You can use those arms, bringing those arms up if you want to. You don't need to add any arms in either. So you can just focus on the feet or just focus on the upper body. It's entirely up to you. Let's push those arms up to the ceiling. Push. Same feet, tapping out to the side. Keep this going. Scoop through the tummy muscles, pulling your belly button in and up. Now into heel digs, bicep curls. So elbows are close to your side, digging the heel down into the floor, bicep curl. Keep it going. And we're going to move into your knee lifts. So again, without the arms if you want to, just driving the knee up. If you want to, pull the arms down towards the knee. Keep breathing. Scooping the tummy muscles. Okay, let's go back to the side. Here we go, tap. Slight bend into the knee. For 4. Keep the legs going. Let's change those arms. Push up. 4 more. Heel digs. Bicep curl. 3. Keep it going. 8 more. 8. 4 more. Tap back, push forward. Oh, I forgot my knee lifts. Keep it going, tap back. And again, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now your knee lifts. Here we go, bring it up. So again, if you do want to, you're driving those hands down towards the knee. That's going to help the heart rate to come up. Doesn't have to be a high knee lift. Just go to where you can. Ready? Let's tap to the side. Here we go for 8. 4 more. Push it up to the ceiling. Take it up. 4 more. Bicep curls. Heel digs. So again, we should be feeling warmer, a bit more awake now with this movement. Knee lifts here. Bring it up. 4 more. Ready to tap back, push forwards. Now tap to the sides. Push it up to the ceiling. Heel digs. Knee lifts. Tap back. Breathe. Stretch, shake out. One more time, take a breath. Breathe up, stretch, shake out. One more time through, we're going to those side taps. Last time through, here we go. 4, 3, 2, push up. For 4, 3, 2, heel digs, curl. 2, 3, knee lifts. Tap back, take a breath, shake it out, keep marching. Okay, this time we're going to half jacks, so we're going out to the side again, bring those arms all the way up if you can, breathe, keep it going, 8, for 4, 3, 2, now punch across the body, punch. For 4, 3, 2, that's those jacks. 4 more, punch. 4, 3, 2, that's those jacks. Nice big arms for 4, 3, 2, punch. 4, 3, 2, march. Breathe, stretch, shake. That's those jacks. Ready? 4, 3, 2. Now punches with the jacks. 3, 2, 1. Here we go for 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is just the time the sun comes up into this room. Punch for 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. One last time for 4, 3, 2. Heel digs. Back to those heel digs forward. Now this time you're going to kick if you can. Digging the heel down. Keep it going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now uppercuts. Upper. So across the body. Now your feet and your knees are together using the core. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now kick, heel digs. Let's add it in together. So we're going 1, 2, 3. Keep it going for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Back to those jacks. 4, 3, 2. Punch across. 4, 3, 2. And again. 4, 3, 2. Punch across. 4, 3. Heel digs or kicks. Uppercuts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now tap back. Tap. Go again. If you can, just a small kick. So nothing too high. Squeeze through the bottom. Arms up. Lean slightly forward. Scoop the core. Breathe. Now we're punching. Punch. 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 So straight forward with that punch. Again, you can still tap. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Back to your jacks. Here we go for 4, 3, 2. Punch across. 4, 3, 2. Heel digs. 4, 3, 2. Tap back for 4, 3, 2. Jacks. 4, 3, 2. Punch for 4, 3, 2. Heel digs. 4, 3, 2. Back. 4, 3, 2. One last time. Jacks. 4, 3, 2. Punch. 4, 3, 2. Heels. Back. March. Take a breath. Stretch. Shake it out. From the top, take it out to the side. Taps. 4, 3, 2. Push it up if I can remember it. Heel digs forward. 4, 3, 2. Knee lifts. For 4, 3, 2. Tap back. 4, 3, 2. Take a breath. Arms up. Breathe. Shake it out. Okay, back to your jacks. In 4, 3, 2. Jacks here. 4. Punch across. Uppercuts, heels. Punch back. Now tap. 4, 3, 2. Push up. 4, 3, 2. Heel digs. 4, 3, 2. Knee lifts. 4, 3, 2. Tap back. 4, 3. Straight to your jacks. 4, 3, 2. Punch across. Heel digs. Tap back. Now take your breath. Shake it out. One more time, take a breath, bring the heart rate down, breathe, stretch, shake. And one more time for luck, take a breath, stretch, yourself a round of applause. Well done. I can't see you very well because the sun